Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to create this pencil rolling reveal transition in DaVinci Resolve. It's very simple to create and works really well for our time-lapse, sketch reveals and drawing videos. Let's jump straight into it. Create a new timeline. Right-click in the media pool and then choose Create New Timeline. Uncheck Use Project Settings because we want to customize the timeline ourselves. Since this effect is mainly for shorts, reels and TikTok videos, choose a vertical resolution. I'll keep the frame rate at 30 frames per second since that's what YouTube recommends for most content. Now click Create. I have already imported a pencil rolling video into my media pool. This one is AI generated, but you can easily create your own by placing a pencil on the paper and record it with your phone. Just drag the pencil rolling video into the timeline. If your clip has audio and you don't need it, simply right-click the clip, disable link clip, select the audio portion and delete it. Next, bring in your artwork. This can be either an image or a video. Drag it into the track below the pencil video. This is very important. The artwork should stay on the lower track and the pencil video should stay on the upper track. Now, adjust both clips so they have roughly the same duration. Select the pencil rolling clip and open the inspector panel. Under transform, you will find the zoom and position controls. You can either adjust the zoom value manually or simply drag the X and Y controls until the pencil fits nicely inside the frame. Once that's done, we can create the reveal effect. Select the pencil video. Open the inspector panel and scroll down until you find the cropping section. Look for the crop bottom. This is the property we will animate. Move your playhead to the beginning of the clip and enable the keyframe beside the crop bottom. Move forward one frame at a time. As the pencil rolls across the paper, slowly adjust the crop bottom value. The idea is to make the artwork appear exactly behind the moving pencil. Don't worry if it is not perfect at first. Just keep moving frame by frame and adjusting the crop value to follow the pencil. Yes, it takes few minutes, but this is what creates the illusion that pencil is revealing the artwork. Keep repeating the process until the pencil reaches the other side of the screen. Once you're done, play the animation back. The effect looks much more impressive than the amount of work required to create it. This technique works really well for portrait drawings, charcoal art, sketch reveals and art time-lapse videos. If you look closely, the reveal edge may appear a little too sharp or artificial. To make the effect look more natural, increase the softness value in the cropping controls. A small amount of softness helps blend the reveal into the paper and creates a smoother transition. Don't overdo it. Usually a subtle amount is enough to make the effect look much more realistic. Try increasing the softness gradually and preview the animation until you are happy with the result. This small adjustment can make a big difference in the overall quality of the final reveal. If you found this tutorial useful, consider subscribing for more DaVinci Resolve and art editing tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.